Hi guys, so today I want to show you something really special. So I designed some vases, flower vases. As you can see, the design for a variety of vases. So this one I used PTG material, and this one I use also PTG, and this one I used PLA, and this one also used the PLA material. So the quality is really nice. As you can see, these are a little bit shiny, and most of this design, for example, this one I designed by myself, and this one, but this one the design I downloaded from, I think it was from Sketchfab, and this one is the this type of design is called the polygonal design. So they are really nice flower vases. Thank you.